Hey, what's up? How y'all doing? So someone asked me to make this video, and I was procrastinating on it because I forgot. There, I said it. Sorry about that, but I forgot. And I remembered, so now I'm making it. They wanted to know what you need to get started on the 8550, on the, sorry, not the 8550, but the XP-15000. And I figured, since I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna do both printers. Sorry, I'm gonna do both printers at the same time. So I'm gonna do the XP-15000 and 8550, and then we'll compare both of them. Again, you do not have to buy this thing from. I source my stuff from wherever. I source it from wherever you can get it from. Okay, don't think because I bring these websites up, you can get them here. You can get them from anywhere. B&H, wherever. If you're from, I don't know, wherever you are in the world, get it from wherever you are or where you can get it from. Do not take these things or these stores and think they are final. All right. I am not affiliate of any of these stores. These stores don't know I exist. These are just the stores I tend to use more than anything else. I even go to let's add another one in here just for shits and giggles. Staples. Now, this is a 15,000 price. Price so far is 3,900. Right? Just a little side deal. If you're looking for um, excellent sublimation printer, this XP-15000 is the best sublimation printer I've ever came across. And Staples probably gonna be the same price as Best Buy. They're usually at the same price. Staples and Best Buy. Yep, 749. I'll tell you. So now, now we got our prices. Okay, they're not that far off. Once it's let's get calculators because I hate giving people wrong information. Get the calculator. So let's not do the sale price. So it's $800 minus 400. See, 399 is 400. It's a $400 difference between the two printers. Yes. Okay, so this CISS right here. Okay, this one right here. It can work just like this CISS up here. I made a video that gives you the option to make this CISS work like this CISS. Okay, I have a conversion video that does that. Now, go to Amazon because I can source my stuff from Amazon. It just works better for me. Again, you do you. You got to buy stuff where you can get source stuff from. Don't listen to me when it comes to how you can source your stuff. Now, I'm gonna put XP. Buy the one you like. All right. Can't stress that enough. Now, let's say you want this one. I want to pick. I don't want to pick the one I like to buy. I want to pick the one someone else buys. So we're gonna put this price in here. Now the price is $50. And guess what? It's the same price. I don't care which one you choose. It's gonna be the same price because we're gonna buy the same CISS. Same price. They all use the same CISS. Oh, anyway, tell you that different. We're gonna use the same CISS. If you want to do my upgrade CISS, go ahead. If you don't want to, you don't have to. You can follow the method I have and upgrade it to the and modify this old one and make it work like the new one. You don't have to spend hundreds if you don't want to. You can buy one of these ones. All right. So $50. That's all the tax on there. Now, chip re No, this one is $35. $15. And this one's also $35. Look at that. Didn't even go far. Let's see. 1500. Ink cartridges. So we need a pack of these. And that's another $50. So CISS ink tube and waste collector. So let's type that in. There it is. So you can also buy any one of these, as you can see the prices. So that's another $14 on each. Now we're going to come over here and we're going to go to Chipless Software. Now these Chipless Software, you have to buy activation key because you're going to need the Chipless Software for only the XP-15000, and only the XP-15000 is going to need the Chipless Software. And the Chipless Software is, let's scroll down to XP-15000, right there, $50. So let's add another $50 to this list. Now, I don't know about you. Here's the thing. Every time your printer crashes and burns, you're going to have to buy this Chipless software again. Every single time. So even if you have a warranty on your printer, and you send your printer in for that warranty, when you get your printer back, you absolutely have to buy this Chipless software again. Yes, you heard me right. So now, this price is not a one-time $50. It's a continuous $50 if your printer burns up. So every time you replace your printer, you have to spend that $50 again. So if your printer gets defective, damaged, whatever reason, you have to spend another $50. So I can't just say $50 here. I have to say 50 plus dollars. This, there we go. And that is another $15. Let's buy the cheap ones because we don't need them for anything special. We just need them to hold liquid. So add a $15 to that list. After 85.50 start looking pretty good deal now, doesn't it? So we're not doing sale prices because we don't care about sale prices. Just in case we can't get stuff on sale. So that's $3.99 plus the 50 plus the 35. That's another 50 plus 14 plus 50 plus 15. That's $613. We're going to add it up again just to make sure. Now let's do the 85.50. So that's 800 plus 50 plus 35 plus 14. The price of that is $8.99. The difference between two of them is 899 minus 613. Equals $286. So you tell me, is $280 worth you stressing yourself out? 8550 is a better printer. Less work, less maintenance, in the long run, not the short run. Plus, you don't have to keep paying $50 every time your printer breaks.